quite astonishing. Fernandes, Rashford, the flag has stayed down now. Rashford, Marcus Rashford. It's his most prolific season ever. Rashford, 23 goals for this campaign. Manchester United lead. Fred releases Rashford. Rashford going through. Rashford, flag goes up. Yeah. Flag goes up against Marcus Rashford. Onside.
Oh, wow.
There you go. It's going to be given. It's going to be given. Marcus Rashford, look at the finish. It's fantastic. Rashford. This is Sancho. Here comes Fernandes. Sancho! Oh, it's magic. It is magic. Sancho scores home and away against Leicester. Another terrific day at Old Trafford. Another terrific win for Eric.